I-10 westbound, about a half a mile before exit 173, and right at the top of the overpass going over 173. There's a vehicle. This guy. I'm riding behind him right now. His tire has burned off of his trailer. He's riding on the rim, shooting sparks. And
okay, so that's 170. Is he going east or west?
He's going west. But besides him pulling this trailer, shooting sparks, farther back by exit 173, the grass is on fire, and a piece of his tire is on the side of the road on fire. And you know, the wind is blowing pretty hard right now, so it might end up catching the rest of the grass on fire.
Okay, so the vehicle is still rolling with the tire?
Yeah.
Sparking?
Yeah.
Okay, and the grass is on fire how far back before the exit?
About a half a mile before exit 173, and at the top of the exit on the shoulder of the road, there's a piece of his tire that came off that's burning, and it looks like I'm in the right lane going slow, and he looks like he's still behind me. So he's just driving, dragging this thing, shooting sparks. I'm coming up on a cop on the side of the road right here. They got the lights on.
Yeah, you should be helping someone change that tire. Where's the vehicle at now?
He's coming up on exit 170, in mile marker 171. That's where the cop is. I'm pulling up behind him right now. Hold on, let me go talk to the sheriff. Hold on.
So are you still there?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm hanging up.
All right.